Dear community, welcome. Happy to see all of you here. We do a live session, Crypto plus NASDAQ. What's our plan? For start, we'll do live market analysis on the crypto market, and after that, we'll take trades on indexes. That's why it would be really interesting, because what's the most positive side of this stream? I will share a lot of strategy, a lot of my approaches today with you. That's why be till the end. At this moment, share with me about audio quality, rate from 1 to 10 about how good our audio, and let's start. Let me write to everyone that we had started. Okay, I see 10, 10, 10. Good. Friends, once more, rate more about audio. Let's start with crypto market once more. First, what we will do, we will start with a crypto market, and after that, we will cover other instruments. Okay. Once more, what you do, you rate from 1 to 10 about audio quality, and after that, we start with market analysis. 10, 10, 10. Good. Please also share with me about your trading experience. What market do you trade? Because as you know, we will trade crypto plus indexes. I need to know more about you to make this trading experience way better for you. Write, please, what market you trade. For example, I trade NASDAQ index, or I trade crypto, scalping, something like that. Okay, good. I think let's start. While you share with me information about yourself, I think we should start with market analysis, and let's discuss about what's going on right now. First, as always, we are going to start with BTC, because Bitcoin is the most important for us. Main reason why Bitcoin is the most important, because entire market would follow Bitcoin. What about Bitcoin? First, what you need to know about Bitcoin. Bitcoin globally is in this uptrend. Globally, Bitcoin is inside of this uptrend. Price bounced from this local low. Remind to you that many days ago within our community, I shared this plan. There was quite significant open interest absorption on BTC. And quite often, video trading plans, you can see. I share updates within our community, and 5th of August, I share with our community that there was significant rise in open interest. And in a case, if that open interest confirm absorption, there could be super significant rise on BTC. If you remember, it was exactly here. Price was at 113,000. Why I share this stuff with you? Because this stuff super important, because you need to know reasons behind every move. That's why here, once more, was beautiful absorption of open interest. Since that moment, you can see price did 8% more. Yesterday, within our community, I gave this BTC update. It was exactly here. It was this update where we saw, you can see here, what's next. Key sell zone 122K. In the case of reaching this key sell zone, look for short. Yesterday, BTC reached that key zone. There was quite significant open interest absorption, and price at this moment reached BTC gap, CME gap, closed this entire gap. What about right now? Like you can see that from these key areas, price bounced really well. Right now, BTC is in the middle of this range, in the middle of this value. Honestly, it is not the best place to take a trade, because still at any moment there could be several stop loss hands before actual move happens. That's why at this moment, what I wrote and what I shared with my community, I wait for range, and after that, I will use that range as opportunity to take a trade. If there would be a clear confirmation for rise, I will use that range to take long trade, as it was, for example, here. That's it. Why it's super important to use even local ranges, even this trade that my teammate Pavel shared within our community. You can see my teammate Pavel shared a plan on 8th of August on Friday to take long on BTC, and BTC after that did this amazing rise. It was exactly here his trade. You can see his trade just amazing from local range. Main reason why to use local range is essential because on local range stop loss would be smaller and potential reward would be many times bigger. That's why. Once more, summary about BTC. BTC is in a range and we need local consolidation to take a trade. That's why at this moment we wait for what to do on BTC. Right at this moment from 1 to 10 in a chart about BTC, is it clear for you about BTC plan? Maybe you have questions regarding BTC. Is this on TradingView? Yes, it is on TradingView. Friends, remind to you that every update, quite a lot of updates that I share with you, I share in my public Telegram channel. Every video update, by the way, every video update we share within our public Telegram channel, as it was, for example, here, where I show to you my plans about BTC. Here I shared a long plan on Ethereum from which price did significant rise. We will cover it within a few minutes. After that, I shared with you BTC plan that with bigger chance on BTC there would be open interest absorption. Here it was first part about BTC. You can see here I shared a short plan on BTC. What you do, below this video there would be a link about our public Telegram. Right now go follow because you BTC updates that I share for free with every community member. Here would be this link. Follow me on public Telegram. Let me send it to you again here into a chat. About other coins, I pinned this message. That's why go now follow me because you will never miss updates. Let's go to Ethereum. We use ATAS for indexes. Ethereum update, yes, Ethereum is coming next. How do you think can we go far? 117, 374. Honestly, I would be happy about this level because price is inside in a range, and by the way, that FVG it is exactly at POC of a previous range. Honestly, chances that price would take it is really huge. That's why I don't hurry up to take a trade here because it is inside. Possible, really huge chance that it would be taken. How do you calculate in a range if price will go up or down? Thanks. For a range, I use VWAP. If price stay, for example, within VWAP, like at this moment, what do we have? We have this beautiful indicator. It is anchored VWAP. Let me delete all other stuff. This one, anchored VWAP. If price stay inside of this anchored VWAP, for example, here we have 2.5 VWAP deviation, and here we have 2.5 deviation. If price is inside of it, yes, for me, it is we still inside of a range. If price breaks out, for me, it is a signal that trend is broken. Let me show to you a few examples how breakout looks like. Let's delete all of this stuff, like here. What price did? You can see price broke it and fix outside. For me, it is a breakout of a off range. Okay, let's go to Ethereum. I see quite a lot of questions. Let's go to Ethereum. Ethereum is within this powerful uptrend. There's yesterday, I shared this plan. You can see here yesterday, I shared this trading plan. Here, Ethereum plan to take long. Before at 4,157. At this moment, Ethereum nearly hit all entire target. Everything is bullish at this moment. Plus, yesterday on our public video update, I also shared with you Only take long on Ethereum. It was my apology. That's our stream. Um, uh, on our public video update yesterday, if you remember, I shared also plan to take long. Ethereum did amazing rise, open interest rising, volume increased. Ethereum at this moment, we have biggest volume, bigger than on BTC. It is a healthier market. That's why for Ethereum, my advice to you, if there would be some new range or bigger stop loss hunt, to take a long trade. Until we have something like this, think only about up. Because I did a mistake many times when I look for market reversal. Remember that market could be in such mode for quite significant period of time, like this one. And every of your attempt to take reversal will end with massive loss. Don't even try to look for reversal. You don't need it. Look for a reversal when there would be solid sell-off. Without it, only stop loss hunts or range low we use as an opportunity to take long trade. Good. Write plus into a chart if it's clear plan for you. Like right now, it's too late to take a trade because good entry point was that I shared within community. And yesterday I did a video update. That's the reason why I told you to follow us, because yesterday, have a look here. I recorded clear plan. And first part of this plan, I explained to you why you need to take only long trade on Ethereum. I did it yesterday. That's why never miss, go down and follow me on public Telegram, because every update will be there. Right now, only two options. In a case of significant stop loss hunt at 41.50, we take long, or if price consolidate for at least 1 day, we take long. That's it. We don't look for market reversal until it actually happens. It's not good. It will always end with massive stop losses to look for a market reversal. It's the worstest thing to do in trading. My beautiful coffee. Where would you see his next level? Yes, I think it will go. No, I do not believe, because some of the CME gaps won't be filled within years. Okay, we could analyze, for example, CME gaps like this one. Okay, this one they revisit. Well, for example, like this one, they retested it after 3 months. And how can you make money on this? They didn't bounce it from it normally. They broke through it. Like there's no point to use it. Okay, let's go to Solana. We covered Ethereum. What about Solana? Solana at this moment, everything looks like Solana retested VWAP since this low. Solana did a local deviation of this local range. With bigger chance, Solana will go up to take this key level. At this moment, I wait for some local confirmation to take long on Solana. If that would be a bigger open interest rise, as you can see, like here. If open interest continue rising, for me, it would be a good signal that Solana would do a major rise. On Solana yesterday, we had this significant sell-off. You can see Solana did a small pullback. That's why Solana also bullish. And next target would be 193, 206. That's why once more, if on Solana we will face additional rise in open interest, we will take a long trade with the first target 195. The second target would be 206. Ripple. What Ripple did a few days ago, Ripple did significant trap in open interest. At this moment, you can see Ripple wiped out every person that built here positions. At this moment, Ripple looks like path cleaned, and I think soon also Ripple would start rising. But on Ripple at this moment, I wait for some significant volume to take a trade. A good place for Ripple would be around 313, 310, 311. It would be really a good place to look for potential long. With a target to take those highs, it would be possible. Global trend on entire market bullish. That's the reason why we also should be bullish on coins like Ripple. Sui bounced from this local range low. On Sui at this moment a little bit difficult. Sui bounced from 2.5 VWAP deviation. Potential rise on Sui. Main problem that there was nothing in volume on Sui. You can see there was open interest dropped dramatically on Sui, and volume also dropped a lot. That's a reason why for me that range was difficult to trade because there was nothing special here on Sui. At this moment, I wait to see what will be with open interest. If open interest continue adding, it would be also good potential signal for a rise, because you can see how Ethereum, have a look how open interest increased, and after that you can see what Ethereum started to do. Key. Do you use ATR indicator? No, I don't use it anymore in crypto. Price move not because of news, price move because of money flow. Okay, that was my plan that I shared with you on the crypto. That's why once more, at this moment, the most interesting for us Solana, because Solana is super close to good entry point. For Ethereum, we wait for local consolidation. For BTC, we also wait for local consolidation. Let's go to NASDAQ and let's do our plan on NASDAQ. At this moment, friends, rate please from 1 to 10 about those plans that I shared with you at this moment on crypto. How do you like them? Before my friends, I would like to invite you to our community, because you can see that on daily basis we share clear trading plans with our community members, clear signals, and at this moment you can get quite a lot of value from us. Every trader get super welcome bonuses by joining our Bigger Trading Academy. First, we share index trading guide, cryptocurrency strategy, 5 steps to successful trading, plus 500 USD bonus to your trading account and access to our private club. To get all of this, value, what you need to do below the stream, below this translation, there would be this link. You go to this link, and here would be this link, get access to our community, Bigger Trading Private Club. Open this board. When you open this board, you write start, and here you can see you can get all of this value from our community, 500 USD to your private trading account, plus access to our community. Each of you can get access to it. Open link below. That would be exactly this first link below, and start that bot, and it automatically will send to you all information. If you want to receive such trading plans that I shared, for example, yesterday on BTC, clear signal, before where I shared plans on BTC, video trading plan where I explained why BTC would rise. Yesterday, I shared Ethereum plan, why Ethereum would need to rise. If you want this, here's this link in description. Okay, let's go. Let's go to indexes. Let's go with indexes. At this moment, we have session start. Let's start with our session. It is exactly here. Session started. You can see that it is distribution of volume. Within a few seconds, I will explain to you what exactly I use here and how do I trade it. Let me connect my account. About indexes, as always, we also start with a bigger time frame. What do we have? Yesterday, you can see that the price took this range low, retested. Today, we had significant news, and at this moment, you can see price continue. At this moment, I expect this trend would continue up, and sooner or later it would create a range, or it simply would continue this uptrend. That's why we must be careful and take good trades for continue. Here it would be our heat map. It is our heat map. You can see how it beautifully breaks through all key levels. Let's do update here. Reload historical data. Oh, good. Let's start our NASDAQ. Let's start scalp on our NASDAQ. Here we will do trades. We will do 3 trades until stop loss or take profit. Bum, 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 bum. Okay, I will listen everything here. At this moment, pay attention. We have this massive positive delta that push price through. The most important question, how far they can go up, will be the continuation of some rise. Let me set up key zones. Key zones. Like, pay attention at this moment, this significant big delta build up. Few seconds, my friends. Let me disconnect. I would like to reconnect data because I see some lagging with DOM depth of market. You can see this DOM depth of market does not work. Oh, finally, it worked beautiful. Everything at this moment, like at this moment, price at key resistance zone, and in normal cases, it would be a good place to take a short trade. Here we have some significant limit orders that absorbed. If price continue building here around this big delta, it would be a good place to take some short. If price won't be able to break through it, we will try. Okay, let's try one trade here. Cool. At this moment, once more, what we have, price reached super important resistance, and we need to see will price broke through it. Can I? Price reach, as you can see once more, my friends, this key resistance. They took this high. At this moment, they bounced as well. It is quite beautiful. Yes, we looks for absorption. Like at this moment, you can see it. It looks like it was absorption. Holy, Friends, have a look how price bounced, how price dropped here really well. How many ticks did they already dropped? 296. Have a look at this moment, what's going on from this key zone. Price already dropped by 300 ticks. How many of you took short here? Did some of you took short here? You can see how from this positive delta, how price few seconds, friends. I need to restart ATAS because it's doesn't work really well at this moment. Yeah, BTC could make a drop. As I told you, BTC at this moment inside of local range. Let me restart. Oh, finally our beast is working really well. Oh, restarted, good. At this moment, there's some significant delta absorbed. 1,000 contracts. Haha. Have a look, friends. 1,000 contracts just absorbed a few seconds ago. And why I don't see it in a footprint? Why is it? From my point of view, there could be a significant drop because entire market looks like there would be a major drop. What's my plan right now? In the case of retest of some local high, I would take short. Or if price would make some local consolidation, I also would like to take a short trade. Let me disconnect because revenue looks like we will have significant drop today. Right now, I expect additional drop. You just need a good entry point. You need some local range. Okay, I need to close as many programs as possible because I have problems with Vatasi. It doesn't work really well. At this moment, in the case of this local high taking, I would like to take trade for short for continue. From my point of view, at this moment, there could be drop will go on. Okay, it should take this local high, and I will try one more short. Okay, I took one more short. It is my second attempt to take a short trade. We have quite rise in positive delta. I hope this positive delta will be absorbed. And sellers will use the delta as opportunity to build significant short positions. Uh-huh. Or not. Go down, my dear NASDAQ. Okay, let's see what will be with this beautiful. Will they do some significant drop, which I would be happy to see. At this moment, what do I think about NASDAQ? We have so many beautiful limit orders at low. If price break through it, there could be some significant drop. What they did, they took this swing high. That's why at this moment it's so easy for them to go down to take this low, or even honestly bigger low to 23.31. That's why I just opened that short position. I would like to keep it at least to those lows 603. We have this significant delta. It would be super good if this delta won't build any, won't stop, won't make any structure change. That's so important for a good and healthy drop. Price must break through after massive negative delta. We don't need absorption if we would like to see significant breakdown. Good. my God. My platform is freezing. I definitely need to take at least one contract because you can see what's going on. Atas freezing at this moment. I closed part of my position. I closed this one 161. We get one stop loss exactly into high, and second, as you can see, second trade move into our favor. We are risk free. At this moment, we can see one of the greatest sell-off. Let's go down, baby. Okay, let's close. Maybe we should close additionally one contract. At this moment, I closed, you can see additional one contract. We have 200 USD of profit. Have a look how exactly into a top they hit my stop loss. Honestly, if I wouldn't be so unlucky, we already would have nearly 1000 USD in profit. Again, local positive delta against this downtrend. I wouldn't, from my point of view, big chance for drop would go on. At this moment, have a look, quite significant positive delta while trend is down. There could be additionally quite significant drop. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. As you can see, as they tried to push down, they failed to break through. Okay, at this moment, I would like to close this trade. And I would like to wait for something new. At this moment, we still have this downward structure. And my major plans that this downward structure would go on. And price would at least take low of opening. Right now, they just reached this important limit order. You can see massive limit order. We must see what will be nearly this limit order, because in some cases such volume become powerful support. In some cases price can go through it. That's why if price stay below this order, I keep this trade open. If they break above, I would close it. Honestly, at this moment, I don't see any reason to keep our last part of our position. No, there is no good reaction. If they close above this significant size, I get out from my short. Only if they close a candle above, I close my short. Yeah, there is no reason at this moment to keep our short anymore. They broke through it. At this moment, if they would retest this volume, I would take long. That's example what we did. First trade minus 83, second trade 350. Not bad. I wouldn't say that's the greatest execution, but still. From my point of view, our short scenario failed, and at this moment we wait for local consolidation to take long because they broke through significant volume. I saw many times after such breakthrough, they easily could go up and take swing high. Okay, let me analyze what's going on here. About all of these questions, I will reply to all of you soon. At this moment, have a look. We have aggressive buyers. What they do, they just smash everything. I gonna smash your boy. I gonna smash your boy. Have a look. They broke the significant limit order, and what they do, they squeeze up. The big chance they will take high after something like this. For me, I need some local consolidation to take a trade, because to take a trade right now, just to rush, I don't do it. I need at least local consolidation. We can use it as an opportunity for a new trade. Market's super aggressive today. Let me see what will happen. Will this significant limit order become a support, because price broke through it, and I would be very happy to see some local consolidation, and after that we could use as local range as opportunity for a long trade. Finally, some people started to sell off. Honestly, today market is like on the drugs. Volatility is crazy, just crazy volatility, but I love it. No, they didn't hold. They must consolidate here. If they do not consolidate, I won't take a trade. Let me show to you what's going on right now with our trading day. It is exactly today. Today. What we have today, let's update our stats. Few seconds, they will update stat, and after that we could take a trade. At this moment, we have this beautiful delta drop. Let's see, they trade around this volume. If they would stay here for at least additional 5 candles, for me it would be a good signal. I would take that long trade. My memory, 84%. 84% of my memory is used. That's our day. You can see we have 2 trades that I took today. First trade, it was short. I was mega unluck because you can see they took my short exactly out at high. And second short, it was exactly here. We took short, close 2 parts at low, second part in the middle. Honestly, I thought on such volatilities I would make a bigger drop. Once more, main reason, because main reason why here I took short, they broke below those levels, and there was local delta. Here also was quite significant delta rise, and it was exactly range high. Yeah, at this moment they stopped. You can see they broke this level and they stopped. At this moment, if they would retest low, here I would take local long. What's your questions at this moment regarding indexes? Do you like it? Because as you can see, it's so fast. Fast profit and fast stop losses. For those of you who really like scalping, that's how it looks like. Why sometimes CVD is going up and price is going down? And price is not coming long for some long time, even CVD is high. Because that could be absorption. There are some people could be with limit orders absorb. I should take it before we have at this moment already 200 ticks of movement. You can see a beautiful rise at this moment, 200 ticks. Have a look. Example for you, have significant limit order became support, price broke through it and go up. And at this moment, I think the big chance they will go up, take highs. Any other good trade would be possible only in the case of taking one of this high. It is 23,108, 23,822. Only there it would be possible to look for some trade. Long or short? Oh, long or short what? What coin? What instrument? Where? %96 of my memory is in use. Ethereum. Yeah, Ethereum is bullish. Long, in a good place on a long. Big chance for market to reverse when price reach critical point and the significant volume enter. That's often the best signal that there could be some reversal. Right now, you can see BTC is around POC. How come VPOC? VPOC is here. Massive delta also is here. They broke the delta, and at this moment they go through. Still, we need some consolidation because to take a trade with such tiny range, I don't like to do it. Have a look how our beautiful NASDAQ, what they do. They nearly took value area low, retested VPOC of opening, and at this moment price is at value area high. Not a good place to take some trade. Right now, I expect some bigger stop loss hands. Right now, we are exactly in the middle. It's a difficult right now place to take a trade. We need something better. Let's ask some questions regarding crypto. Regarding crypto. Regarding our beautiful crypto market. We have quite beautiful rise in open interest on BTC, but at this moment still it's not clear what would be direction of a move. You can see that here from open interest rise we had beautiful reaction. Right now open interest increased by nearly 10,000 contracts, but price still stay in a range. We need clear move from this range. Only after that it would be possible to understand the direction of that move. Ethereum took range high, global trend still up. Only if consolidation would go on, we would take a trade. Ripple, Litecoin, Fartcoin took high. On most coins, there is nothing to do, honestly. Hyperliquid. Regarding indexes, price stay here, stay inside. We need some bigger stop loss hunt. You can see so aggressive move without any good stop loss hunt. We need bigger stop loss hunt to take a trade. About other coins, we will discuss soon. Can you check ADA? I will check ADA after I will see what will be with this idea, because so soon price can give to us good trading idea. If they would take this local low here, it's possible to take a long trade. So aggressive volatility at this moment, you can see. For me, just interesting how far they can go up, because so aggressive move, and from my point of view, they could take all highs. Honestly, after such fast buyback, I wouldn't hurry up with any long, with any short. My apology. Any short would be possible if price rise here, started to consolidate, positive delta go on. Only after that we could use it as a powerful resistance area. Honestly, it's so interesting day today, because I didn't see such volatility, such aggressive volatility for a while. Go, 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 my beautiful baby. Okay, at this moment, honestly, on indexes, price is at between two key levels. I would wait for something better, because there is no reason to take a trade inside. Let's go back to crypto. Friends, write plus if you would like to hear more about crypto. Remind to all of you that on daily basis, we share clear trading plans with our community members, and you can get access to our crypto community, to our indexes community, by simply following, by joining this Telegram bot. Here would be all the information below in description. Have a look here. Below here in the description, you can get all the information, how you can join our community. there would be this link, this VIP Telegram bot. Open it, started, and here you also can get 500 USD special bonus from our partner to trade crypto. Plus access to our indexes trading guide, to crypto trading guide, and 500 USD plus bonus. What you do, just open this Telegram bot and it will send to you all the information about how you can join. Let's go and let's cover once more what we plan to do with our crypto. Once more, at this moment, quite significant rise in open interest on BTC. Better to analyze it here on well data. We have quite significant rise in open interest on Bitcoin. Often it ends with significant move. If this, you can see plus significant spot buyback. Honestly, this could lead to quite significant move up. And honestly, it's possible even right now to take a trade because price exactly right now around that volume with such stop loss, such take profit. It would be quite good scalp if you wish. Should we take a trade right now together? Okay, let's cover INA within a few seconds. Let me take trade on BTC. Plus, let me send a signal within our community. There could be some more. Uh, 117, 680. Okay, we can use this quite significant open interest as a plus spot buyback as opportunity to take a long trade. Market is bullish. There is no reason for market to make any kind of reversal. I wouldn't say it's the best. It's normal place. The best place I shared within our community. Best place was at range low. Let me send update to our community because at this moment we have quite significant open interest build up with a positive spot. $12,000 contracts. That's serious stuff. Okay, about BTC, honestly, if this volume will be successful, there could be quite significant rise to take even swing high. About other coins, as I shared with you, if Ethereum still bullish, good place I shared many days ago. Solana open interest continue rising, potentially also a significant breakup. Did some of you took Solana long? Any one of you took Solana trade? NQ consolidating. Any one of you took Solana trade? Good. At this moment, we have a really massive rise in open interest on Solana. That's a reason why I expect also potentially quite significant rise. If you would calculate this rise in open interest in terms of contracts, you can see that's nearly, right now, it is nearly 883,000 contracts with this average price. It's nearly 150 mil. That's super serious. That's why at this moment for Solana, it would be super easy to make such move. Bam, bam, bam. Let me do update to our community. So big chance for rise. We open interest increased by 834,000 coins. Take long Inter. Once more, if you would like to get such updates from me personally within our community, what you do, below this link in description, there would be that link. Open and join our community. Plus, you can get 500 USD bonus to trade on the futures. Ethereum, honestly, it's possible to take long here, but it is super risky. I don't like to take trades when price already broke it. But if price would consolidate additional few hours, like we have 2 hours, and there would be additional 2 hours, it would be possible to take trade for continue, because it would be a signal that buyers are super strong. You can see we have we didn't have actually any significant futures delta to show that there was some major liquidation, like normal spot volume. Only on the futures, as it was a record volume, as you can see, 20 bill. But still, if price consolidate around it, it easily can continue that move. Ripple, as I shared with you, most of the coins would go up. Some of you asked me about INA. Let's discuss about INA. What about INA? Volume increased on this coin for... Have a look how volume increased, open interest increased, price in this uptrend. Simply wait for any kind of consolidation and take long trade. Really possible to take those highs. Beautiful rise, like everything is good. It looks healthy. There wasn't any significant major volume spike to call any tap. That's why I just follow INA. NQ consolidating inside. Honestly, at this moment, it's not a good place here to take a trade because I would consider long to continue if price would continue consolidation, and here would be quite significant delta drop. In that case, yes, I would try to take long with major goal to take those highs. Good breakout. How to trust a breakout? You can trust breakout only in a case you can see a massive rise in open interest, volume increase. What was before? Price was in quite a long consolidation. It's super important that price would not break below this open interest, because you can see here when open interest increased rapidly last time, it became key resistance zone. That's why it's super important that price would be only above area of significant rise in open interest. In that case, yes, until price above it, you must follow, because even here, pay attention how this breakout was beautiful. Also, massive rise in open interest, but you can see that price was only above that massive rise in open interest. And what was after that? Just amazing rise. That's why, yes, follow. Until price below 21, you just be bullish. Mm. Okay, let's come back to our NASDAQ. We need this consolidation a little bit better. Just imagine I'm here, friends. No, live didn't stop. It just reloaded because everything is good. I'm back. With big chess, NQ would continue rise. About Solana. Solana rise is coming, friends. Volume increasing. Because CVD, it's only difference between market orders and limit orders. That's it. There were plenty of situations where there could be drop in CVD, but price increase. It means quite a lot of people sets limit orders. We need this consolidation to take a trade. At this moment, I would be so happy to see some major stop loss hunt. To use it as any kind of long opportunity. Go. My baby, go down. Take that stop loss. At this moment, I pay attention to this local consolidation. If there would be at this moment some delta spike, I would definitely be happy to take long right now. Quite a good consolidation or high. Go. Just give me, please. Take low. Oh my god, they don't take those lows. It's so sad. And there is no significant limit order to use it as a key support or resistance. While price inside of this I took long at this range low. Uh, 100 ticks at this moment. We need to price to break through this consolidation. That would be good signal, because if price won't break it, there could be this range could be go on for some time. That's not good for us because they easily could take my break even. But still, that's the best option that you have. You have or price hit my break even or price hit my take profit. Solana is going well. Bitcoin also started rising. Oh, and Q started to break through. Go, baby. Go, 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 my beautiful. I closed the first part. Took back my risk. I took 84. And at this moment, I have 170. Go up, my dear. Do we have any significant limit orders that can go against us? Next significant limit order only here. Yes, quite significant delta build up, but still. Trend still up. Okay, I would like to close it. Delta go on and they don't rise. I don't like it because they already did quite significant move. Main reason why I closed at this moment this long, because they already did quite significant move. At any moment they could consolidate for very longer period of time. That's why it's super to be careful. Plus I took at least I took 233. I still took 1 to 2.5 risk reward. Let's once more. Let's analyze this day overview. As you can see, I was right about closing trade. That's our day. 489 USD of profit. Friends, is it good or bad? Share with me in the comments. Is it good or bad? And we just made the view 489 USD of profit, with initial risk per position was 83. Plus, first trade hit stop loss. If this trade wouldn't hit stop loss, it would be already approximately, I think, 800 or 900, which means with risk 90 USD approximately, we could make 800. That's example for you how scalping looks like. And by the way, a lot of our secrets, how we trade, how we scalp, we share with our community members. What you do below this translation, below this live, there is a link our community where I share signals, trading plans on daily basis. Once more, this link. After that, you open to Telegram bot. When you will open this Telegram bot, there would be such information about how you can join. Plus, you will get our index trading guide, our crypto strategy, and 500 USD bonus from our partner, plus access to our private club. That's why, once more, for you, it is the best time to join. That's why if you would like also to learn it, open that link and join. Plus, if some of you would look for education, with my team, we have a unique way of education. We have personal mentoring, one-to-one. I don't see any company who would mentor people face to face. We only one company where you can take education lessons with my teammates, and we will help you to learn how to trade indexes, how to trade crypto. Depends what you like. Scalping indexes, okay. Scalping crypto, okay. Swing trades crypto, okay. We have several strategies, and you choose what is best for you. That's why open that link. In crypto, how can we identify a pullback and when the pullback is going to turn back to the trend? Please explain. In many cases, you will never understand it until it actually happens. Honestly, I advise you not to look for pullbacks because for example, like here, this Solana drop, you can see price. You could try to look for pullback for so many times. Honestly, the best way it is when price breaks structure. Only after that you look for revert, like this one. You have powerful uptrend, and often there would be a trend change when you have first significant drop that took all major lows. It caused structure change. After that, there could be a significant reversal. When you have something like this on Ethereum, every low higher, every high higher, you never go against it because you don't know how far it could be. In some cases, that could be for weeks, like this one. And if you would try to take any short, you would be only liquidated. Same with Solana. Have a look. Have a look on this upcycle. This upcycle was 71 days. Until only when you see that finally major low was taken, for you it's a signal that finally a trend is broken. Until that, don't even try. It just main problem if you would try, your chances for success small, risk in position huge. It's not worth it. Okay, friends, we just made the view 500 USD by scalping NASDAQ. If I would be lucky, it would be already approximately 800 or 900. I was happy to see all of you here. If you would like to spend more time with us, you join community, join our education, and we will help you to become profitable. Have a good time. Have a good day.